हाँ
Captain Savde.
हाँ,
Or
वही
is this
उसके
a
मियाँ का
second
नाम
marriage?
है. No, no, this was always, he retired as a captain, so he will always be
Oh.
Captain Safdar. She
Oh.
met him in the Prime Minister house because he was part of the Prime Minister security as his
Mm-hmm.
first job, and then she fell in love with him, and that's how they got married. और फिर उसने
Nice.
कप्तानी छोड़ के ही डिसाइडेड कि अब वो अपने ससुराल वालों के साथ सियासत करेगा. बट
Of
एनीवे,
course.
सो वीकेंड पे ना शादी थी, और उस दिन से my social feed is filled with what she was wearing and how she outshined the bride by, like, wearing these mehndi ke garare and shadi ke jode. So she literally wore for his barat a bridal dress. It's a gold
Is
bridal
this Mariam
dress.
Nawaz?
Yeah. ठीक है,
Right.
बट ये सब कुछ तो उसका वो यूजुअल है. अच्छा, लेकिन सारी लाइमलाइट जो है ना वो चोरी हो गई, मरियम औरंगजेब ने कर ली ना मरियम नवाज से, बिकॉज शी एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द पंजाब cabinet women have come back with this glow up. They have lost weight, they have gotten their rhinoplasties and their facelifts and new hairdo and clothes. I sent you one. I was like, let's find, and everyone is doing posts
Okay.
like, we need to find the
Wait.
doctor who did.
I want to see
Please.
what you sent me. There it is. Amazing.
She looks
Okay, can it?
amazing.
She looks amazing. And I love this meme. Okay, let me play it again. She looks amazing. So okay, my feed is not as crazy because I haven't been on Insta for a while.
Hmm.
But I saw one post and listen, I think it's okay. You know what I feel about like all of these
Hmm.
things that
Yeah.
one can do to make themselves feel and look better. I'm
Yeah.
all for it. तो बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. What about the other
यार बहुत अच्छी
parliamentarians? I
लग.
want to see them.
Oh, I'll send you other ones also. There were like two, three. One is information minister. She's also looking this younger, beautifuler, gorgeous self. I'm in love with Mariam Aurangzeb's new look, bhai. And she looks naturally beautiful. वो नहीं लग रहा जैसे Mariam Nawaz looks plastic. Like, I saw a video of her. She's standing with her son on the stage. So her face is so plastic she can't properly smile. So she'll be talking to someone side पे, and then she'll look forward and यूं कर रही है ना, like she looks really
ज़्यादा
plastic.
बोटॉक्स लगा रहे हैं उसने.
बहुत बोटॉक्स है कि उससे स्माइल नहीं हो रहा है बेचारी से, मगर बहुत
अच्छा
प्यारी लग
listen,
रही
Mariam
है.
Aurangzeb जो है ना, I think she's a good looking chick and I think उसने weight loss किया है. I don't think she has done too much to it. थोड़ा
There
बहुत
is a
उसने किया
lot.
है.
There are forums where plastic surgeons are discussing. She has
Oh, they're
gotten
discussing it.
fillers, lip
Of
fillers.
course,
She
थोड़ा
had
बहुत तो
like
लगाते हैं.
rhinoplasty,
No,
facelift.
rhinoplasty I don't agree with. I think it's just makeup. And facelift is not that. Listen, वो इतनी बड़ी नहीं है. I think
I
she's like
know, she looks
in her
amazing.
late 40s. So I think you
Yeah.
can. Acha, yes, I do agree. You do get few lines, well, a lot of lines when you're in your 40s. The fillers, Botox, she's definitely done. Lips भी उसने अच्छे किए हुए हैं. But
Hmm.
I think most of it is because she has lost weight.
Yeah.
And
Within
then
two
there's a lot
months.
of makeup.
Yeah.
Within
दो
two
महीने.
months, then it's a
हाँ.
Zempic. Ah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes. उसने जल्दी जल्दी में, like they were all, what I love is that these women in power, they are ministers, cabinets में बैठी हैं, they're making big decisions, and at the same time they're like, there is a big wedding coming up and all the media will be there, we need a new look.
Yes.
I love that.
Yes. And let's do it together. We have two
Yeah,
months. Let's take a
yeah.
Zempic, go find somebody who can fix our noses and our faces and get fillers and Botox. I love it. I haven't seen the other parliamentarians. मुझे भेजना लिंक मुझे देखना है.
हाँ,
पर वो तो बहुत अच्छी लग रही है.
बहुत
But
अच्छी लग रही है.
why do people have issues with that?
No, no one has an
You guys
issue.
look ugly.
Everyone wants the
They're just shocked.
number of the surgeon who did this. Everyone's like, can you please give me, find me who? Apparently, someone in Dubai her doctors, their doctor is in Dubai. So everyone is like, can someone give me the number of that doctor so I can make my appointment? Everyone is like
Yeah.
pleasantly surprised and no one is bitching about it at all. But everyone's like, Acha, can we have the contact details? Do this for your nation. Since you haven't done anything else, just do
Yeah,
this
at least
thing.
tell us.
Please
Yeah, at
tell
least we
us.
can all look good
Yes,
together, even though if
imagine.
our lives are going to shit.
या पूरा पंजाब में
हम इसमें
औरतें जो है
पैसे
ना
डाल दें.
खूबसूरत लग के घूम रही होंगी इतनी प्यारी लग रही होंगी
Oh, वो कौन थी क्रिस कार्दाशियन की नो किम कार्दाशियन की अम्मा व्हाट्स हर नेम
हाँ क्रिस जेनर
क्रिस जेनर
हाँ
remember when she did her facelift
oh
it
so
was like
everyone is
everybody was like
saying
what.
I have to
It's
send you
that
that
bad.
meme. It has Kardashians on one side, Punjab cabinet women on other, and they're all saying better job than the Kardashians because these look naturally beautiful women. So Chris इतनी अच्छी नहीं लग रही है जितनी हमारी पंजाब कैबिनेट लग रही है उनके फिर भी
But
लगता
our
है ना
Punjab, yeah,
प्लास्टिक
yeah.
है
No, of course, because she's like, what, like, how old is she? She's like in her 60s.
70s.
ये तो,
She's 76 or
yeah,
something.
for somebody who's in 70s, she looks really, really good. I thought the whoever it was did a really good job.
Yeah,
Our
true.
parliamentarians are young, like they're like
Yeah.
in their late 40s. So they still have a little bit of, bounce
Yeah.
in their face.
Yeah. तो
Oh,
कार्डाशियंस
yes,
क्योंकि
okay.
बहुत अरसे से करा रही हैं ना सो नाउ एज द टेक्नोलॉजी इज गेटिंग बेटर एंड बेटर एंड बेटर
Yeah.
एंड दे आर डूइंग इट मच नेचुरल तो इनका बहुत अच्छा हुआ है उनके बहुत थोड़ा प्लास्टिक प्लास्टिक लगता है और वो यूं
हाँ
डार्क
बस ये
लिप्स
कर
हैं
लें जितने experiments करने हैं and then by the
हाँ
time we are ready
हम्म
to take the leap बस
हम्म
हमें पता हो कि कहाँ जाना है and hopefully it can go a little like थोड़ा cheap भी हो जाए
हाँ
चाहिए हमें ये quality but पैसे ज़रा affordable हो.
कोरिया जाके कराएंगे सारे जहाँ पे
I
सस्ते
told you I have a plan but Tara is not ready so I'll wait for Tara
हाँ वन
करा
डे
लेंगे.
देखते
Yeah,
हैं
yeah,
विल सी
yeah,
अभी
why
तक तो
not.
ठीक है लुक एट
I
यू
mean
योर
okay,
स्किन इज ग्लोइंग राइट नाउ
no, there is a filter on and this is not my face.
How do you get a filter on Zoom?
Let me see. Uh, there is a filter on because I am telling you this is not how I look. Also, ऊपर से light आ रही है तो yeah, it looks brighter.
I need to know how to put filters on. What is this
How
that
did
you
we do
have
that?
them
How did
and
we
I
do
don't?
that?
No, I think you just naturally look this good.
No,
What are you talking
no,
about?
I swear there is a filter on.
Hmm.
It was, where was it? Because in the beginning, when I was trying to when I was trying to fix this, I saw it. Hey, hey, hey. And this is not natural at
Oh,
all.
oh.
इसको तो अच्छा लग रहा है वैसे actually.
लाइट
यहाँ
भी
से
बहुत अच्छी
यहाँ
है ना
से
हाँ the lighting is nice. Hello, Anita.
Hello, Tara. Hello. How are you? We haven't seen each other in so long.
So
पाकिस्तान
long.
में भी नहीं मिले.
बहुत थोड़ा मिले. We should have met more.
No.
So can I
तुम
tell you
सारे हमारे
something
प्लान्स
funny?
थे. नहीं
ये जब
पहले बोलो.
मैं
No,
चाय
you
पीती
tell.
हूँ
मैंने भी कॉफी उठा लिया. I was wondering where you were. I was like, why is
I
she
was
not
making
sending
chai.
the link?
But when I'm wearing
Yeah,
my
yeah, yeah.
anik and drinking chai, तो वो जो smoke होती है सारा उससे foggy हो जाते हैं.
Yeah, I don't have that problem.
I
Don't
know.
don't worry, my eyes are perfect. Actually, इतनी perfect नहीं है. मैं गई थी डॉक्टर के पास, but the doctor was like, "Listen, do you have to drive?" I was like, "No, I'm not driving these days."
Hmm.
Then she's like, "तो कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Avoid as long as you can." But I think I really need it. I have to hold my phone like far away to be able to read.
So these are my reading ones. Chashmas, not for
Oh, I,
driving.
all the people in my life have chashmas.
Oh yeah,
All
Zoe
the
also
people
has
in my life.
chashma.
Yeah,
You
Zoe
are
has chashmas. My
resist
husband.
them.
Yeah, yeah. Wait, let me think. Out of my sisters and brothers. Only two of them have chashmas.
This is Hunza jeans, man, I tell you.
Yes. My mom now has chashmas. My dad never had it, and he lived till, I think, in his late 90s.
There you go.
But according to his ID, he was still in his 80s.
ठीक
But
है.
we think that he was way, way
Much
older. उस
older.
जमाने में तो क्या होता था? ओ, विंटर में हुए थे, तो
हाँ,
चलो वही डाल दो.
हाँ.
I think it's when they moved to Karachi is when they needed to get their ID cards made.
Hmm.
Before that, I don't think they cared.
जरूरत ही नहीं थी.
Of them,
नो,
they
आई
don't
थिंक
remember the
जीबी
exact.
में तो होते भी नहीं थे, आईडी कार्ड बाद में बने थे.
Maybe I have no idea, but I do know
Not
that
sure.
they do not remember the exact dates. एक तो
हाँ.
बच्चे भी इतने होते थे ना,
कौन
you know,
याद
it's
रखे.
difficult for parents.
15. ये बारिशों के मौसम में हुआ था और ये सर्दियों में हुआ था.
Yeah, that's exactly what they said.
माय मदर ऑल्सो
They
रिमेम्बर्स.
didn't.
65 की जंग में हुई थी मैं. लाइक सो यू रिमेम्बर 65 था. शी इज लाइक the reason my parents remembered the year
Hmm.
was कि उस वक्त जंग हो रही थी, तो she's like
Yes,
65 की जंग
yes.
के बीच में, तो आई वाज लाइक सितंबर में हुई थी, आप फिर 65 में. लिटिल
हाँ,
लाइक.
जीबी में
हाँ,
क्या इनको पता था?
हाँ.
Was either it was my mom or my dad sharing
हम्म.
the story. My dad left before my mom, and my mom was still there. And शायद phones भी नहीं होते थे, तो he used to record on a cassette player. So he was actually asking his
हाँ.
parents to send my mom. Maybe my grandparents were alive. Anyway, his family to send my mom to Karachi, and I think they weren't. So he then sent a message via a cassette
कैसेट
player,
आई
a
थी.
voice note. Yeah,
हाँ,
एक
अब
voice note भेजा इन्होंने
भेजो मेरी बीवी को.
कि मेरी बीवी को बेच क्यों नहीं रहे तुम लोग? Because he also used to send them money. So he's like, send her or I won't send you money. And
थ्रेट
then
भी
they
था
sent
साथ
her.
में. हम्म.
Of course. Otherwise, भेज ही नहीं रहे थे. I don't know if this story is true, but it's an
Mom,
interesting
this is
story.
mom's version of story or dad's?
No, both of them are the same. Maybe I can revisit the story with her and then ask her exactly what happened when I meet her
Yeah,
next time.
yeah.
कि असल में हुआ क्या था ये तो बताएं. आप आई
What
कैसे
is what
कराची?
is your plan for this year? Are you coming here or not? Are you
Oh
visiting
yes,
me?
Happy New Year, Tyra. Happy New
Happy New
Year.
Year.
I wish we were celebrating together on the
Why
1st
didn't
of
we?
January,
Why
but
didn't
we
we,
didn't.
Anita?
मेरा ही कसूर है मेरा. I take all the blame. मैं तारा से 2 दफा मिली सिर्फ because I was too busy, and not that I didn't want to, but I also wanted to do the other thing, which was shadi. I had a lot of fun, but वो हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ होता था,
हम्म.
and then that was life. तो हमने बड़े प्लान बनाए थे कि
हम्म.
हम वीडियो बनाएंगे, हम तस्वीरें खींचेंगे, we will record 3 episodes. Didn't do.
कुछ नहीं किया
Anyway,
हमने.
कुछ
कुछ
नहीं
नहीं.
हमने किया.
But it was a good beginning of the year. You were here. Weather was
Yes,
amazing.
the weather was
शादी
really
सीजन चल
good.
रहा था.
खाना बहुत मज़ेदार था, मज़ा भी आया. और सबसे मिली भी. Actually, there were some people I couldn't meet, but anyway, ये तो होता है हमेशा, you know.
Yeah.
Uh, Even though we were there for 2 weeks, so I think it was ample time. But then with shadis,
अगर शादी
other
ना
things,
होती तो it was
it's
ample
enough.
time. मगर with शादी
Yeah.
no. There was too much happening.
So okay, so yes, New Year was good. The start of the year was nice. We were home. I don't think we went anywhere. And then I'm trying to remember what we did. Anyway, it was just like that. It wasn't how it used to be back in the day. I remember के बस कुछ करें,
कुछ
you know.
करें, कहीं
It's
चले जाएं.
it's a thing. It's a thing. I guess if I was living in Pakistan, I would be like, कुछ करते हैं, कुछ करना है. It's New Year's. We need to have a
Yeah.
gathering. So this time I was like,
The
whatever,
time when
fine.
we were young and wild and free. ओफ मैं तो सो गए थे.
No, I met.
9 बजे. मुझे तो नहीं पता है
Oh,
न्यू
really?
ईयर. हाँ, I slept. This is, I think, the second year that I just, it's like any other night.
Oh, I remember where we were. So couple of the guests were leaving on the first, like New Year's night.
Hmm.
So we were with them saying goodbyes. And one of the ladies is from Colombia. And she then shared a tradition with us, which was I'm forgetting the number of grapes that you're supposed to have, but maybe 11, 12. But she's like, this is what they do in Colombia. I haven't fact checked her, but I'll trust her because she's from there. So
Hmm.
she's like, okay, you take uh, 11 or 12 grapes, and then you make wishes, or think about what you want to do, and then you have that at 12 o'clock or at midnight. So
Hmm.
we didn't have grapes, but we had kishmish.
वही खाए.
So we all took
Dried
whatever
grapes.
number,
Ah,
and then we did that. So that was
nice.
nice. And then we all went home after that.
Cute. अच्छा
Yeah, it's
तो
interesting to see how many different traditions people have. This was interesting. I don't know if we have a tradition of sorts. At home, we used to make sure that we are all awake, and we would cut a cake, and then we would make a wish.
oh,
Yeah, it was a thing that we did back when we were all together in the same
yeah,
house.
yeah.
I remember we did that, and it was a cake from one of our favorite bakeries, which is Silly's in Karachi. Shout out to them.
Hmm.
Still one of my favorite cakes in Pakistan. So we always did that, and as soon as um, like me and my younger sister, we became
Adults.
naughtier.
Yeah.
Well, not adults, but just like, like late teens.
Hmm.
We then started our own tradition. I don't know if she remembers it. Or we then would go out on the balcony and then throw water balloons on everyone and then hide.
Uh,
So
grape
that was a lot of fun.
New Year tradition. Nice.
Yeah. I can't do that over here.
So I was part of one fun New Year tradition when I was in Rio de Janeiro for New Year's. So it's
Mhm.
the biggest New Year party on the planet. There are like 3 million people on Copacabana Beach. Everyone
Wow.
wears white, and everyone was carrying a white rose. So the goddess of water, they
Hmm.
give that white rose to her. पूरे 12 बजे रात को midnight पे everyone goes in the water, throws the rose in the water, and then they make the wish. I thought that was really amazing because then everyone was. I was traveling. I didn't have any white dress, so then I went and I got myself a white dress. We got on the train. फिर ट्रेन के टिकट के लिए हमको 6 घंटे लाइन में लगे. Because everyone, 3 million people going to the same beach, so they
Yeah.
gave slots to people. Like, do you want to go 3 to 4 p.m., 4 to 5 p.m.,
Yeah.
and so on till midnight. So then
Wow.
we're like 3 p.m. जाके क्या करेंगे हम इतनी जल्दी? So we wanted like 7 to 8, which was already taken. So the only one available for us was 6 to 7. So for that, the line at the railway station, the tube station, was like 3 kilometer long, and then we stood in the line for 3 hours. Eventually got the tickets, went back home, got dressed, found my host Airbnb apartment where we were staying, me and Samantha. She gave us the white rose, and she's like, "Take this
Uh-huh.
because this is the tradition." और फिर हम white rose लेके train में बैठे. Then we went there, and there were fireworks for like half an hour, and it was the biggest party, New Year party ever.
Wow.
It was fun.
That
But
sounds a lot
then,
of fun.
yeah,
Sounds like
फिर
a
हम
fun year.
2 बजे, but we were tired and like अच्छा चलो घर चले. Because there was so
Obviously, I
much,
think I get tired around 11 o'clock.
yeah,
Afterwards, get
anticipation
tired
इतनी
at 11
ज़्यादा
o'clock.
थी.
Yeah.
And we spent all day, getting those tickets and buying clothes and getting ready and getting there कि हम थक गए थे. और बस फिर 2 बजे हम घर
Hmm.
जाके सो गए. But fun tradition. It was
Yeah, it
amazing.
sounds like a lot of fun.
Yeah.
In Tokyo, I've heard that there is some ringing of the bell tradition. So what happens is that on New Year's Eve, here they do ringing of Buddhist temples, and there is a number too,
Hmm.
around 108. 108 times they ring that bell around midnight, and each ring is said to cleanse one of the 108 earthly desires and then help people enter the New Year's with a clean slate. So, but
Nice.
we
Desires
didn't
को
get to
निकाल
do.
के जाएं.
Yeah, so we didn't get to do that this year, but if you're
Huh.
around next year,
Next
then
year.
we'll definitely do that. Some of the temples also hold ceremonies, so people go to the temples. And those, well, I know one of them, and that's a big temple. So yeah,
Hmm.
if we're still around, then we'll do that.
Hmm.
So yes, so New Year's happened. We are already in our like the end of first month.
Month,
I know
yeah.
you've told me that you do not make any resolutions, but पूछ लेते हैं कोई है
हाय
कोई
नहीं
बनाया
है जापान जाना है मुझे ये मेरा रेजोल्यूशन पिछले साल से चल रहा है सो आई
good
डोंट
one.
नो इफ आई कैन कॉल दिस अ न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन बट आई वांट टू
We'll consider
ट्रैवल
that a New Year resolution. So you
चलो
want to travel.
ठीक है बस दैट्स माय
So
रेजोल्यूशन
you're travel. You're coming here. और कहाँ जाना है? Where else are you traveling?
या समर में माउंटेन्स जाना चाहती हूँ मैं ताकि हम अपना घर बनाना शुरू करें राइट सो
Yes.
वी आर
Yes.
मेकिंग मी एंड अनीता वी वांट टू हैव अ माउंटेन हाउस इन पाकिस्तान इन अलियाबाद so that's the plan that this year I go meet the architects get some plans made and get the work started so that's the plan for this year big
Yes. So
resolutions
that's a big resolution. Yeah, it's our resolution to get
yeah
that started because we had been thinking about it for far too long. And
yeah
finally,
we
I
need
think
to
we're
do
like, you know what,
this
bus ho gaya, bus. We need to do this.
huh
To your question that you asked me earlier, where am I coming to Pakistan?
like what are your
Maybe
plans general plans for 2026
my general, I make resolutions. I
okay hit me
and I don't follow through. But you know what I think about resolutions? It's like it just gives me some sort of a direction. And I kind of like that. I don't want to go into the year with like, oh, chalo, go with the flow. Kuch to. I mean, my life is already go with the flow, pretty much.
huh
So I want some parts of it to be a little bit more stable.
so what are the
So my
resolutions for this
general,
year
so my general resolutions, and these are pretty consistent. Number one, health. More gym time. I always do that, but I do go as well.
I
I
knew
haven't
that would be
started.
your first one on the list.
That is always on my list. But I stick to it. I do it. This year, I want to run more. Well, according to my little one, I walk fast.
You have been
Um,
running marathons. How dare she? Please.
no,
Marathon
I
bhagna
haven't done a
आसान नहीं
marathon.
है.
No, I haven't done a marathon, but I did do Sparta. But back in Shanghai, I was running a little bit with the running club. Yes, my pace is pretty slow, but I don't care about that. So this year, I want to jog or run more. At the end of the year, I would like to do a half marathon. That's a big challenge as well because that's like 20,
Amazing.
no, 20 or 40 kilometers. But let's see. So that's that. What else? Read more books. That is always a challenge.
Yes.
So one for the podcast, one for myself, and I'm already failing because like this it's January and I've read half a book.
Hmm.
But I still have like 10 days, so let's see.
Yeah. You can do this.
I can do this. What else? What else? Ah, I want to be more social this year. It's a new country, so I want to go out a little bit more, even if I don't want to. Well, I have been doing that
Yeah.
for the past couple of weeks, and
Nice.
it is so hard,
I
but it's
can
okay. I don't
imagine.
mind.
Yeah.
I don't mind. At least the activity that I'm doing with other people is an activity that I actually enjoy. So I go for these historical walks with a group of people. So that's pretty fun. If it was not something that I enjoy, then I think I would have just stayed home. So that's that. And learn a skill, either
Hmm.
ikebana. I mean, I'm in Japan, right? So maybe I can do something over here.
Perfect place to
So
learn that.
yeah, so either ikebana or some Japanese cuisine. Though I'm not sure how I'm going
Oh
to
my
enjoy that because I'm not really
God.
enjoying eating the
But
food
if you
here.
come
But
back, learned
right?
how to make Californian rolls and
Yeah, that's
crunchy
California rolls.
maki.
There is no
As in-
crunchy maki here.
no?
No, I mean, I haven't found any.
Okay.
Their sushi is very different. But I've only been to like two places. Maybe if we explore more places, then maybe I can find crunchy maki substitute of whatever it is. So yes, I think there are other things on the list as well. But these are my basic New Year resolutions. So let's see how I will fare. I know the health one will happen because I'm very consistent with that. The
Hmm.
book one is something that I struggle a lot with
Hmm.
because there was, I think 2 years ago, I was like, okay, let's do this. I was very good. But then the types of books that I was choosing were all fiction. So the next year I was very confident. I'm like, okay, you know what? Chalo, let's pick up nonfiction. And I failed. I couldn't finish even like two books. So nonfiction is something I struggle with. Fiction I can like
So
do.
you don't have to read nonfiction. If you enjoy reading fiction, just read that. I
Yeah,
mean,
but with
I
nonfiction you kind
love
of
fiction. I love science fiction. I love fantasy. I mean, I it always gives you. I always feel that, oh my God, human mind can think of new civilizations, new religions, foods, languages. Our mind can go anywhere. Like we can make up things. So I love science fiction. So read
yeah.
fiction if that's
Uh
what you like reading.
but with nonfiction I feel it will just open up a different part of my brain.
So listen, I'm going to start sending you non-fiction books which are fun to read and not
Okay.
very boring. Because
Please
I
do.
read some in the mountains last year and some of them were like page turners. You couldn't put them down. They were really nicely written.
Mm.
And if they are about things that we already know about or interested
Yeah.
in, then it's easy to read them.
So yeah, so these are my New Year resolutions, and I will be looking forward to your list of nonfiction books.
Yes. But fiction is good for your brain. I think I heard a neuroscientist say this. Every time we read fiction, it creates new neural pathways in our brains. Like we experience a world that does not exist in our everyday life. So it creates new neural pathways. So that's actually better for Alzheimer than non-fiction.
Oh, really?
Yes. So,
But what about retention? I feel the problem with me is that I absorb the emotion that the book has, but then the actual bits and pieces,
hmm.
I don't remember.
So you
Like I
don't
have
have
to
to.
reread. You don't have to. You just remember the feeling and the emotion and
Yeah.
whatnot, just the
Yeah.
gist of it.
Yeah.
Okay. But
It's
with nonfiction, isn't it the other way? Because then with nonfiction, you are bombarded with so much information,
hmm.
then your mind is forced to kind of retain all of that.
Not necessarily. After, like,
Okay.
I remember reading Gun, Germs, and Steel, and I was fascinated by the facts in the book, and I knew them for like couple of months, and I was telling people that's my way of remembering things also. Like, oh, by the way, did you know this and did you know this? बट उसके बाद दूसरी किताब पढ़ती हूँ तो वो वाली वाइप आउट हो जाती है सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड देन आई एम ऑन द नेक्स्ट बुक सो यू डोंट नीड टू retain. A lot of people have amazing memory and they remember everything like dates and everything that they read. I don't have that. I know you don't have that, which is all right. The idea is to give brain that food that goes through it. मैं ऐसा समझती हूँ. We are no
Yeah.
scientists, remember. Don't trust our
No, it's
opinion.
fine. But trust us, please. We are like in our 40s. So trust us. We know.
So
We
we are
know
just
better.
giving food to the
Mm.
brain, which doesn't need
Okay.
to be retained, but it
Mm.
can flush out like other food, but it just goes through it and it nurtures the brain and it exercises the
Okay.
brain. तो बस
Okay.
ठीक
So
है.
more food for my brain. All the resolutions that I've shared, I think many people also have the same one. I think I was reading somewhere that the number one is actually
Working
the
out.
gym,
Yep.
working out. Then books is also on the list.
Yeah.
Learning a skill is also on the list. Learning a new language, by the way,
Is
is
high on
also
the
on this
list.
list. Is yes, it is. I think it was number one. I was watching some
So
quiz
it's going to
show and
gym,
they had some.
traveling more, reading more, learning a new skill,
Yes.
learning a new language, being more social. But listen, I was reading up on, and I was talking to you about it also, and we want to talk about it. Like, what other things are happening in 2026, the new trends and events, and how the culture is changing across the world, um, how politics is reshaping borders
Yeah.
and new world order. I'm just throwing the word New World Order because I just heard someone say this.
And I believe the progress that we have made in the partnership sets us up well for the new world order.
The
Prime
Canadian Prime
Minister.
Minister
Yeah.
said it, and it was so I was going to mention that too.
Yeah.
And that is so interesting how it's happening. And we could see the trend, but I think this is a moment that we will all remember as the
Yeah.
moment when things just shifted to the other side. And it
Yeah.
was after a trade deal that Canada and China did. And he was so blatant and bold about it
But I
in
think
the
the
political sphere.
world leaders are now realizing that this is the only way to talk to Trump. Be open and direct about it instead of like being political and diplomatic. He doesn't get it. You just tell him, this is the new world order. We are now going to
Yeah.
be trading with China because you put in a lot of tariffs on us, and 90% of our exports were going to America. And we don't want
Yeah.
to, if that's not happening anymore, we need to find new partners for our own safety, security, and growth. So he was very direct and literal about these things, which I really liked.
Yeah.
Uh,
And
the,
it's funny how this is all starting after his views on Greenland and how he wants to make Greenland
yeah, he sent a letter
and
also, apparently. I don't know if it's fake or right, but it's on the letterhead from the White House, which first he complains that you did not give me. I didn't know Greenland had the authority to give me. You did not give me Nobel Peace Prize because I stopped like 11 wars. And, but you know what? I think we need to take over Greenland. We need. I. Oh. And
I don't
Venezuela में
understand.
यार
No, we do. So
invaded
I
in
know we say
Venezuela.
we don't understand this guy, but I think we actually do. He's doing everything that all the other presidents did as well. It's just that he doesn't hold back. He just says it.
Verbal
You
diarrhea
know,
says it all.
yeah, and he's like, listen, it is what it is.
Yeah,
We are who we are. We only
yeah,
care about us, and they've always done that. And
yeah.
most countries do care about themselves. I mean, they have to take care of their own people first, then they move on. So I understand that part. And
Ha, so you're right. This wasn't the first time that America has invaded a South American or, Asian country to save the people. I'm saying this
yeah,
with the quote like bullshit, where they think that, oh, ye to bahut drugs kar rahe hain and let us solve this problem for them, but actually it is for the resources. And it hit me this morning when I was reading the news that it started in the 15th century. The invasion started, and it was very like, let's go and invade that country with guns and swords and whatever, for the resources, and it's still going on. Like, they know that Venezuela or Greenland, they have the biggest reserves of oil or uranium or the metals that they need to build cars
yeah,
or the
rare
fighter
earth elements.
jets. So they're still, with the invasions for the resources are still happening, and we have now superpowers fighting over the resources. पहले ये होता था कि अच्छा Portuguese are going towards South America, so British said, okay, we'll go to India, so they had divided their areas, but now they're fighting for the same area.
The
Greenland's
same area.
most of the resources are being processed. Like uranium, 90% of the
Mhm.
uranium in the world is being processed by China. And Greenland, Siru, Sir, sorry for that. And Greenland में Chinese companies are really big who are processing their metals and their minerals. तो ये कब खत्म होगी ये लड़ाई पे रिसोर्सेज? क्या एआई ये सॉल्व नहीं कर सकता है ये प्रॉब्लम कि हमें पहले
नहीं,
मसाले
नहीं.
चाहिए थे, फिर कॉटन चाहिए था, अब हमें यूरेनियम चाहिए है और पेट्रोल
नहीं.
चाहिए
फिर
है?
पता नहीं क्या चाहिए होगा. Yeah,
हाँ.
I don't know what they'll need after this. This fight over resources, as you said, has been going around forever. तो बस चलता रहेगा, चलता रहेगा. Maybe like AI क्या कर सकता है? AI can do nothing. AI is just repetition of the same thing over and over again. Okay, what can AI do?
कुछ नहीं
Right
कर
currently,
सकता
what
है.
is AI doing?
It's not doing
कुछ नहीं,
anything.
like
It's overhyped.
can cannot solve, yes, cannot solve these problems. And yes, अगर आप कहते हैं कि AI हम develop कर रहे हैं for humanity, करो ना, solve this fucking problem. You
Hmm.
know, why are you fighting over resources? But that's what they do because we have to look after our own people first.
Hmm.
It's like this country first, that country first. Every country is country first except for you know which country.
Let's
वहां तो फिर
not.
आते हैं चौधरी first
Yeah.
and
Um,
dash first.
yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
side
मैं
looking
बस
into
अब
these
उम्मीद करती
superpowers.
हूँ कि एलियन इन्वेजन हो जाए, जिसकी फिल्में बना बना के हॉलीवुड वाले
Yes,
पैसे कमा रहे हैं, अब वो हो जानी चाहिए.
yes.
दे शुड जस्ट टेक ओवर दिस प्लैनेट एंड देन
आ
फिक्स
जाना
इट.
चाहिए. यस, कर लें,
हाँ, पता नहीं
आ
क्या
जाएं
नाम
आप लोग, आ जाएं, इन्वेड अस.
बस नहीं, मैं
फिर हम
चाहती हूँ
सब,
एलियंस हमें डिस्ट्रॉय करो, हम बर्बाद होना चाहते हैं.
या
डिस्ट्रॉय
ले
अस.
जाओ हमें
हाँ.
प्लीज. take us, take us out of this world. I think that's why
हम्म.
Elon Musk
वांट्स टू गो टू
and
मार्स.
Bezos,
हाँ.
they're like, बस निकलते हैं यहाँ से.
हाँ.
ये तो is a shit show. Would do the same if I'm a billionaire. I was like, I need to find a way to
हम्म.
save myself
हम्म.
and get out of here because
हम्म.
all of these guys are cuckoos.
या.
So yeah, politics तो बस it's craziness. ट्रेंड क्या है और पागलपन,
और
ये ट्रेंड है.
पागलपन, हाँ, ये
That's the
होने
trend.
वाला है.
समझे?
ये एक्सपेक्ट करें 2026
Yes.
से कि मजीद मैडनेस होने वाली है.
मान ले हमारी बात, ठीक?
हम्म.
Because हम बहुत experts हैं.
न्यूज
हम बहुत
न्यूज चैनल्स को
किताबें
छोड़ दे.
लिखी.
हम हमसे बात
हम
सुने, हमारी बात.
हमारी बात सुने. So politics में तो बहुत पागलपन आएगा.
हाँ.
What I am excited about
हम्म.
is to see where Zoran goes because he was such a big
हाँ.
thing in the late 25s. हम सब उसके बारे में बात करते थे. Wow,
आई थिंक
I don't know what
एशियन
he's been
वॉइसेस.
up to.
हाँ, एशियन
Asian
वॉइसेस
voices,
आर
right?
गोइंग टू बी ग्लोबल. I think
Yes.
that's
So we'll
another trend.
see. Yeah.
Acha, so that's that. What else?
Do you remember that we talked about in our previous episode, which was on relationships, that there's lonely men epidemic going on globally? It's real, I'm
बहुत
telling
लोग lonely
you.
हैं.
More and more people are talking about
No,
it, and more
हम
and
भी
more.
lonely हैं. हम भी हैं. But we don't have people researching about our loneliness. हमारे बारे में भी हम भी बड़े दुखे हैं. But we get
हम भी
over
बहुत.
it. But
हाँ,
yes,
तो कोई औरतें ना
right.
घास नहीं
You're
डाल
very
रही
lonely.
है ना आदमियों को. तो the other problem that the world is facing and which will continue to face is depopulation, कि लोग बच्चे नहीं पैदा कर रहे हैं क्योंकि औरतें जो है बहुत ख़राब हो गई हैं, फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट हो गई हैं, वो शादी नहीं करना चाहती हैं. Less and less people are having kids, and the modern lifestyle is not supporting many kids because women are working
Mhm.
now full time. They're supporting the household, and since they're supporting the house, they're running their own lives. They are choosing to give priority to their own needs. And when women start to give priority to their own
Mhm.
needs, then they want the men to be in a certain way. Like, how do you support this life and my needs? And since men are not being able to do that, hence they're like,
Mhm.
okay, I'm fine alone. More and more women are
Okay.
traveling alone, as we discussed earlier. They're choosing to be alone, they're happier alone.
Mhm.
So, depopulation is a big problem. And to
पर
get
अच्छी बात नहीं है कि हमारी depopulation हो रही है. Cause इतने तो दुनिया में लोग हैं. Also look at what's happening. The earth is crying कि बस कर दो, मेरे
uh,
resources लेना बस कर जाओ. So yes, I know depopulation is an issue for countries because they rely on population, right? They always want people who are available. काम करने के लिए लोग चाहिए. I mean, look in Japan. Japan में तो
नहीं है.
हालात बुरे हैं that they are thinking about policies that allows more immigrants inside. And then there is a whole other conversation on many
Non-immigrants.
Japanese also thinking, nahi bhai, wo to chalo, it's not a Japan problem. Nobody wants any immigrants around.
Yeah.
But agar aapke mulk mein,
Mm.
my take on this is if you need people, to
Mm.
le lo. What's this idea of keeping your race pure? I mean, you need people to work on your economy. तो
But
ले आओ,
racist
they
people
also want to
don't
go.
think that way, na? Racist people think my race is the best. We are the smartest people. We are the prettiest people. Let's not mix with. Because look what we were talking about earlier, how brown
Mhm.
voices are becoming bigger and bigger in global politics. Look at the mayor of London, the mayor of New York. They're both brown Muslim men. So now the problem is if there's so much representation of brown people, so then eventually, so the Gora's depopulation problem is there will be less white people. And from the capitalistic point of view, the problem is there will be less consumers. So this
Mm.
consumerist society that is working on some people becoming billionaires by producing or creating products that most of the billions of people consume. So if those billions of people are not there, how will these billionaires stay billionaires? So उनको तो वो मसला है
Yeah.
ना कि हमारे पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे अगर लोग
Yes.
थोड़े हो गए तो. And
Yeah.
since
Yeah.
West has more consumers. North America has the biggest consumer economy. So if they have
Mhm.
less and less, like हमारे brown Chinese जो लोग जाते हैं वहाँ पे, we are not biggest consumers. We don't consume. हम तो अपने बच्चों के कपड़े भी रिसाइकल करते हैं, छोटों को पहनाते हैं.
हम
We
तो पैसे
recycle
बचा
every.
रहे होते
हम
हैं ना.
पैसे बचा रहे होते हैं.
Yeah, हम पैसे बचा रहे थे.
So in China, there is this idea that you need to save rather than spend. So currently, they have a spending problem. They don't, because you want to think about the future for your child कि मेरा बच्चा या बच्ची जो है वो सही हो जाए. Even look at us. I mean, we have one, और हम दोनों भी, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, we want to announce the fact that we have now, after decades, have started investing. अभी अभी तो एक हफ्ते ही हुआ है मुझे.
हफ्ता भी नहीं
और
हुआ
तारा को भी चंद महीने हुए. We have finally decided to, because we don't want to like die poor. कुछ तो
Yeah.
खाने के लिए कुछ तो.
हाँ.
तो yeah, people like us want to save.
Yeah. So the consumer, we are not the ideal consumer. We are not the target market for these billionaires. Those people are who believe in living in the moment, consuming more. So
तो काम तो डालो
because
हमसे.
हम कर रहे हैं, हम काम
There
कर
you
रहे
go.
हैं, हम
Problem
बेचारे.
solved. हम ही immigrants हैं.
तो
हम तो काम कर
सारी
रहे हैं.
प्रोडक्शन तो चाइना में चाइनीज ही कर रहे हैं ना, और कौन कर रहा है वहां पे? तो कोई इमिग्रेंट्स नहीं आके कर रहे हैं काम. तो
That's
अब
true.
सबको ये जो वेंचर कैपिटलिस्ट और ये जो इन्वेस्टर्स और ये billionaires, these people are thinking, oh, you know what we should do? We should bring religion back in fashion. If we bring the religion back in
Mm-hmm.
fashion, then the Christ will punish you if you have sex outside marriage. So then more and more girls would want to get married early, and they would want to have more and more babies. So in
And
and
that's why
mm,
you see a lot of people like Kirk.
yes,
Remember the guy who was, okay,
yes,
fine, he shouldn't have been killed,
yeah,
but a lot of people like him
yeah,
are popping up.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah, I get that. I mean, हर दफा फिर रिलीजन ही यूज करते हैं, राइट? हम अपने मुल्क में भी देख लें, इधर भी यूज किया, ईरान में देखें, उधर भी किया. So I mean, कुछ हमसे सीखें, try to understand that this does not last, and the idea that you have will be completely shattered, because
Hmm.
once you get into the faith market, you cannot win. No one wins that.
There's no
They
turning
always win.
back. So yeah, to you in US, they are reaching the target audience by entertainment. So there's this studio which is a crowd-funded film studio now. It's called Angel Studio, and these right-wing billionaires are investing in it, and they're making movies which are faith-based. They're hiring the best of the actors, like the top Hollywood actors, to act in those films because they have shitloads of money. And these films are being
Mhm.
shown in the big cinemas, big screens, and they're making shitloads of money as well. So clearly, there's a need there for people to see something like the content like this is there. And the other thing that is really that was big in 2025, which I think will be bigger, are these spiritual raves. Have you
Mhm.
seen those? Where these
No, I
kids
haven't.
are going to raves where they're not doing drugs, and the raves
Uh-huh.
are all about chanting, meditation and Satgurus on the screen giving sermons, or पीछे music बज रहा है, or there's this evangelic Christian priest who is standing and giving his like बड़ी speech दे रहा है, और music है और lights हैं and people are dancing. Like the spiritual raves are the biggest thing. ये जो आजकल के बच्चे
Mhm.
हैं, they're not doing
Mhm.
drugs. They're not interested in drugs. They're not interested in sex. Less and less kids are getting into relationships. They
Mhm.
more and more kids are becoming asexual, or their orientations are not as, the typical orientation that we grew up with. So this whole need for spiritualism in the age of AI and reels is much
Mhm.
higher than it was in decades. So a lot of old music is coming back in the trends, a lot of old movies, and those ideas of this
Mhm.
masculine hero are coming back in the entertainment. Um,
Yeah.
Gone are the days where Me Too was a big thing, or being a misogynistic was like a bad thing. Now people are
Yeah.
coming out as these misogynistic, very alpha male figures, because they think that the
Yeah.
time requires that and needs that. So कुछ अजीब सा हो रहा है अभी. Let's see where it goes.
Yeah.
Huh. And you know what I think? I think most of the people getting pulled into this are people in their early 20s. They're done with school, they're entering the real world. It's not looking that great for most of them. And suddenly there's no clear structure. And most of them are clueless. They don't know what to do because, no one teaches about real world in college. So while I think 20s are amazing, it is also a time when one can kind of get lost. This is when one, I guess, keeps on experimenting. The college life kind of continues for a little bit. And that's when things like spirituality, hypermasculinity, or strong belief systems start to feel comforting. Not because they're right or wrong, but because they give certainty, they give identity, they give direction in a phase where everything feels unstable. And then enters capitalism because it understands this phase very well, right? Yeah, early 20s are a weird phase.
इसीलिए ये भी मैं कहती हूँ प्लीज अर्ली 20s में शादी ना करें because you don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah,
Live your life a little bit.
yeah,
पर
explore
हम बूढ़ों की
yourself.
कौन बात सुनता है
हमारी कौन बात सुनता है? You see, parents saying whatever we are saying, but इस दुनिया में we always pick the subtle cues जो हम अपनी environment से उठाते हैं. इन बच्चों की जो हमसे बाद वाले मतलब generations हैं, उनके लिए the cues are social media से आते हैं, YouTube से आते हैं, entertainment से आते हैं, music
Yes.
से आते हैं, जो कि
Mm-hmm.
सैडली हमेशा एक एजेंडा पे काम कर रहे होते हैं. एंड दिस इज नॉट अ सम थ्योरी.
Absolutely.
वी नो के
Mm-hmm.
वट एवर वर्क्स फॉर दिस कैपिटलिस्टिक society,
Mm-hmm.
they always protect their own interest over
That's true.
individual interest, या society के क्या interest है उनको कोई
Mm-hmm.
परवाह नहीं है, as long as they're making profits.
नहीं.
तो बस उस पे दुनिया चल रही है. तो
Yeah.
हमें डिप्रेस मगर बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए.
इट्स जस्ट
हमें हमें विजिलेंट होना
विजिलेंट
चाहिए.
होना चाहिए,
हमें
अवेयर होना
सोचना चाहिए.
चाहिए.
Yeah, also, I do think all these kids will eventually get out of it, and these capitalists or whoever is funding this will
हम्म.
realize
हम्म.
that this is also gonna end for them.
हम्म.
और फिर वो कुछ और सोच लेंगे. उनका तो काम ही यही है कि
हम्म.
okay, my investment went bust here. Let me go find another investment. So yeah, so घबराना नहीं है.
घबराना नहीं है. तब्दीली आ रही है.
So yes. So in terms of people wanting to make more money, I think वो trend तो चलते ही जाएगा. The whole idea of money can't buy happiness, I think वो काफी अरसे से खत्म हो गया. People do know there is दुनिया में रहने के लिए अगर आपको खुशी चाहिए है तो आपको पैसे चाहिए. And let's say you want to go travel, क्या ऐसे ही चले जाएंगे आप? नहीं ना, कुछ तो चाहिए आपको. वीजा अप्लाई करने के लिए भी पैसे चाहिए होते हैं. तो people, since both of us are now investing in
Will.
stocks.
Future, near future.
Yeah, will invest in stocks. I feel there's more conversations about that, and I also on Instagram and TikTok see few Pakistanis talk about that. There is this one girl, Mashal. She was an actress, and I don't know how she ended up doing what she's doing now, but she talks a lot about how women should invest in stocks, should think about being part of the Pakistan Stock Exchange. And I feel there would be more of that. And also, to go back to brown voices will have are having a moment, and then it will continue. I feel if there are more brown people out there who are into investing and know a little bit about stocks, open up your things. Please tell us what we need to do.
या गाइड अस हमें कुछ नहीं पता है हमें सिर्फ ये पता
हमें
था
कुछ
कि
नहीं पता.
हमने वो अकाउंट खुलवाना है जो कि स्टॉक फंड का होता है एंड देन वी कीप putting money in it and it's a long term planning and the banker specifically is like please don't check your account balance every day because it will go up and down drastically because it's a high risk market and but it's a long term plan so just leave it and see where it goes but
Yeah.
Pakistani stock market I've heard is doing great and a lot of people are investing in it बस लेकिन तुमने I want to buy silver and I told you to keep an eye on silver. It has gone up really high and we didn't buy it.
Yes, okay, it's gonna go
Missed
down. How it?
opportunity.
No, it's not a missed
$96
opportunity.
पे
I
चला
think the
गया है.
miss. I think it was missed opportunity few months ago
Already.
when it
But
was very
in current, it went
yeah.
from 76 to 96.
76 to 96. It's gonna
Yeah.
go down because it went to 100, if you
Hmm.
remember. There was a
Yes.
time when it went in and it did go down.
Hmm.
So I think when you see another dip after this 96, is that what it is?
Yeah.
96, 98?
$96, yeah.
Then
We buy.
then you get it. Yeah.
Acha.
As soon as it's 70, we buy it.
Keep an eye on it. What I'm saying
Keep
is
my
that we
ass on it. Yeah. I
on the
think I would
price when it's going down, down,
I,
down, buy, and then I'll buy some. थोड़ा सा खरीद लेंगे हाँ. अच्छा, so do you want to recommend a movie or a book for this week?
Yes, so
बताओ क्या
we are
देखूं
on the
मैं?
same page. I saw White Tiger and then I told you about it. I
हाँ.
think Wodeko, and then you were telling me that there is a book. I'm a movie first person, so I didn't know it was a book.
हाँ.
But बहुत मुझे अच्छी लगी. I don't know where I saw it or who recommended it to me, but somebody did. But the book is there too, and that's what we're recommending.
The
White
same, the
Tiger,
book
the same.
and हाँ.
आज सिंपल करते हैं सो बुक
हाँ.
भी वही है और मूवी भी वही है and you can choose whatever you want to do. If you're a book person, start with the book and then move on to the movie. But if you're a movie person, you can start with the movie and then move on to the book. I haven't read the book, so I will read the book so that I can compare. तो आप भी देखें तारा
I will
और
watch the
फिर
movie. And book जो है वो it's written by an Indian writer. उनका नाम है Arvind Adija. And he wrote the book in 2008. Adija is a journalist writer and he wrote story of this man who has come from a small village. The book describes the discrimination that caste creates in Indian society, religion creates in Indian society. Like, there's an incident in the book, I don't know if it's in the movie or not, where a driver is applying for a job, and when the owner finds out that he's Muslim, he's told that he can't get the job.
yes
And even the someone who's from lower caste can't shake someone's hand, and because someone who's employing him as a driver, the boy who's come from America and who's very modern tries to shake his hand, and the father jumps in like, "Oh my God, what are you going to do? You are." He's impure and we can't touch them. So they're untouchables. So this story is very beautiful in a way that the story is narrated by this character as if he's writing a letter and he's writing this letter over 7 nights, and he's telling his story, where he started from, where he came. He started very young when he started working, because he had to collect money for his cousin's dowry, because that's another problem in subcontinent, the dowry culture.
Mhm.
तो फिर वो
Mhm.
शहर आ जाता है. He comes to Bangalore, where he finds a job as a driver. Then he moves to um, uh, I mean, I don't want to reveal the story, but it's there are a lot of
Mhm.
ups and downs, and just the story how he became the White Tiger that he calls himself, because White Tiger is a sign of power, individuality, and he feels at that point in his life that he has become that by
Mhm.
struggle, by doing a lot of things that he shouldn't have done, and he has that self-realization as well. He's a smart boy from a small town. So read the book, watch the movie, whichever one you prefer. I loved the book, and I feel this Adija's writer, जो उसकी writing है, it's one of those very good writings coming out of South Asia, like a beautifully
So
written
I
book.
can, and that's our book as well as movie of the week.
Who's your person of the week, Anita?
So my person of the week is an amazing girl, Norina Shams. She is a
Yeah,
Pakistani squad. Yeah, we know her. We've met her.
yeah,
Yeah, I met her through you. So she is an amazing person, but she's also a great squash player. She works and supports a lot of athletes. She provides help with the training, equipment, and just basic support that they don't have. And this she does through Norina Shams Foundation. As we know, in Pakistan, सारे पैसे जो हैं वो क्रिकेट को जाते हैं. तो स्क्वाश में किसी को नहीं जाते. And then there are many other fields that it's quite neglected. And I guess it's nobody's fault because in Pakistan nobody takes sports seriously. I mean, we remember the story about Arshad Nadeem, who was preparing for the 2024 Olympics,
yeah.
and there was a whole bit about how he didn't have funds for new equipment. And then we know what happened in 2024. He won the gold, and not just that, he also set a new Olympic record. So yeah, so like PSB, which is Pakistan Sport Board, it's not like they don't spend, they do, but I guess it's just not enough. So Norina, by the way, does it by herself. And through this foundation, she has helped many, many young players. And if you want to be part of this, then you can get in touch with her on her Insta. She's pretty active, or you can just check out her foundation and her website, which is called NorinaShamsFoundation.org.
Yeah,
Over to you.
we
So, who's
we
your person?
love Noor. Love, love, love Noor. She's amazing. My person of the week is Faisal Wadaich. He runs this YouTube channel called Dekho Suno Jano. Basically, in Angrezi, how would you translate it? Like see, listen, and then understand or learn. What Faisal has achieved is he has created this channel where he talks about history. So and he has made people listen to his long form videos, which are ghanta, like an hour long, sometimes 2 hours long, where he's talking about history of Ottoman Empire or Mongols or Native American history. So he's done long form videos and he has made people interested in history. His storytelling style is beautiful. He also explains in a lot of talks and conversations with writers, philosophers, activists, like how he has come to this conclusion that learning is the only lifelong purpose that is worth pursuing. Do check him out. He has millions of followers. His top video on YouTube has 13 million views, which was about the Ottoman Empire. And other videos also about Genghis Khan and Hitler. They also have millions of views. Do check him out. He's my favorite person of this week who inspires me to read more, learn more, be better.
And with that, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you very much for tuning in. Signing out now. This is Anita. Kapsotaya. Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye bye.